Hi guys, let's start another session. This session is dedicated to a beautiful feature, a speak on return for cells. Uh, this is a little known feature of Microsoft Excel, but I love this. Why this feature is so important? Because suppose you are doing some kind of a data entry, your boss has given you a job, or you're a student and you are trying to create some kind of a long table, and the source of that table is either on paper or on some other application, or it is some kind of a PDF document. And if you want to, so you have to keep changing your eyes direction, like you're seeing like this, and then you are coming back and typing in the data in your table. Now, speak on return helps you in uh, increasing your typing speed. What happens is when you look towards this paper to find the value of the cell, look back, and then you are typing. As soon as you hit return, the Microsoft Excel speaks that word. So it becomes like this: that okay, more or less, if you are spoken correctly, it means your spelling is correct. So the whole process becomes fast. How to do it? Let us start. Before, in my previous sessions, you must have seen I had talked about uh, quick command guide or something like that. Its name was, where you can bring the commands from ribbon to shortcuts. So I'll make use of that. Now let us start it. I'll click on a quick access toolbar. I'll click on more command, and here are the popular commands, and I will click on commands not in the ribbon. No, I'm taking this advantage because I know that it is not in the ribbon, so it will be quick to find it here. So alphabetical order it is sorted with. So let us go to speak. Yeah, speak cells on enter. Add, it is here. Just say OK. And although I have configured it, I have not activated it. So I'll just go here. You can see speak cells on enter command icon is right here. Just click on that.
Turned off speak on enter.
So now it is activated. Now suppose I am doing data entry by looking onto a different page. So let us say alcohol.
Cells will now be spoken on enter.
Oh, sorry, that time it was not activated. So I'll delete it. Alcohol.
Alcohol.
Then beer.
Beer.
Tea.
Tea.
Breakfast.
Breakfast.
Can you see that? Will it not help you in your data entry? According to me, this is a very important feature of Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, and I would say very less well known, a very less known feature also. So I'll finish this session here. Just practice on it and make use of this wonderful feature. Thank you.